Hello, this video shows how to add credentials using Stock Sync with Google Sheet for WooCommerce. Go ahead and click on Google Cloud Platform to create a service account. Set the terms of service, email updates, and hit continue. There's no need to create a project again if you already have one, but click on Create Project to set a project name before clicking on the Create button. Then, click on Service Account under the Create Credentials button. Set your account information and click on Continue, followed by the Done button. Now click on the link of the service accounts. Now go to the Keys tab and click on Add Key. Set the key type to JSON and click on Create to download the credentials. Now go to your plugin section and upload the JSON file. Then, click on the link that says Click Here so that you can enable the API for Google Sheets. Moving back to the plugin, be sure to check the box to confirm you have enabled the API for Google Sheets and hit Next. And that's it! Download Stock Sync with Google Sheet for WooCommerce for your WordPress website.